RAM. Came to RMA request for your replacement list. For any replacement, create RMA request. Fill your replacement client name. Then replacement module size. Replacement variant, add series, frame type. Then frame color. Glass color. Set icon shape and edit your replacement faulty parts. Now description of fault in that you can resume your fault issue. And then add to RMA cart. Now you can view your replacement details. Then from same way you can add other replacement details. Once your replacement list completed. After that you can check your RMA request list and their status, and then click off view you can see request timeline.